People research everything online, especially on a premium brand like HP. They're possibly figuring everything out on your site. They even talk to a partner. So from a telling story perspective and managing the journey, how we enable partners to market to the end customer, that has changed because they're highly educated on your side. So when they're possibly talking to the buyer, to a seller like a partner, they're much more educated. So from a tool and enablement perspective, how do you balance that? Like what is on your side versus what's on the partner side? What are you telling the partner from a marketing enablement?
Yeah, certainly we want to get as close to the customer as we can through the partner. And so we know that a customer who is researching solutions will go to, they may come to our site, they may come to an industry site, they may go to the partner site because they have very trusted relationships. And so we have to make sure we are everywhere. And I mean, you can imagine HP, we have to make sure that not only are we on CDW's site, not just a catalog listing either, we have to show up as to who HP is and why we matter and why we fit with whether that's CDW or whether that's WWT for a few US examples. We need to show up on their sites more than just catalog listings. We need to show up and show why our solutions fit together and make it easier. Usually when they buy the whole, I call it the future of work package, it all works. We need to show that. And so we do have all sorts of syndication tools. And I would say it's more than syndication now, but I'm old school, so that's what I call it. But ways of getting our content out on the partners' sites, and partners out to, even AWS and Staples. And you think about all of the retailers as well, where you could buy an HP printer or laptop. We have to make sure that we're solid in all of those places and that we're telling our story. And so our story isn't just about bits and bots and how much RAM does it have. It's actually about, is it sustainable? What problems does it solve? How do we help them choose? So we have to do all of that, not just on our website, not just on our partner portal, but we have to think about how we do it everywhere because we're a huge global company and it is absolutely a requirement.